Hey guys, Lori and I are going to teach you how to find us on YouTube and how to subscribe to our channel so that anytime we go live, you get notified. Come with us. So here we are on the YouTube homepage. You're going to click that little magnifying glass up at the top and type in Diamond Mountain Mining. And there we are. You'll look for our Scepter logo, and that would be our page. So click on that. That'll take you to our channel. And you see the subscribe button, nice and big. Hit that, and that'll give you notifications anytime we go live. Make sure the bell is selected, and that's how you'll get dinged anytime we upload a new video or anytime we go live.
And then to find our old lives, you go over here and click the Live tab.
Boom! That's how you can review shows. They do take 24 hours to process. So if you missed a live and you want to catch it, just check back the next day.
And if you want to see all of these videos succinctly, go to the Playlist tab.
Hope that helps, guys. Let us know if we can help you with anything else. Bye!